Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can connect your LLM provider in the advanced settings for the AI agent. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account. And once you are logged in, on the left hand side, you will get this more option. Click on the integration option and you will get this ChatGPT option here. So you can integrate your ChatGPT key from here. Simply you have to click on it and click on the connect option. You can give the name of the configuration and you can add the API key here and click on confirm. Once you confirm it, all the integration and all the configurations that you have done, they all will come up here and you can turn on the status of for the same. And in case if you want to disable any of them, you can turn off the status from here, right? Once you are done with this, now please go back to your AI agent and let's say this is the one where I want to connect the AI agent configuration. So I will do one thing. I will click on this advanced AI settings and over here it gives me an option of LLM provider. So over here I can choose the credential, like whatever the configuration name that I have selected, I can set that from here. And also I can choose the model for the same. Let's say I want to choose this 4.1. I will update it. So AI settings updated successfully. So this is how you can update the LLM provider on your BotPenguin account for the AI agent. In case if you have any queries for the same, please do reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin.